Good morning from the Appalachian Trail. It's out and about, day 38. Slept so good last night. It was supposed to be, I think it just kind of hovered around 31, 32, and it was nice, just all tucked in my sleeping bag. Definitely tough to wake up, so didn't leave till after 8 a.m. this morning. Just gonna push it today. We're gonna run into Boots Off Hostel and probably grab some snacks and just say hi to people there. I think we have a lake coming up today, so it'll be a beautiful day and we'll keep you updated and bring you along. All right, snack time. It's my first time packing out a honey bun. They're very common out on the trail because this is 530 calories and it's like a Hostess light snack. It's an iced honey bun, like so gross, but so good. I just saw a deer cross the trail. I just saw his little white butt. Maybe we'll get him. Where'd you go? Oh my gosh. Hi, puppy. Oh. Oh my gosh, such a cutie. Hi. Oh. So pretty. Hitting mile 420 on 420. We've been walking along this beautiful river. I think in the next mile or two we'll have a waterfall, but it is so nice, the sound. Look at that huge rock wall. It's so beautiful out here today. I kind of wish I wore shorts, but here we are in pants. Let's see what this looks like here. One side of the river, the other side. It's kind of rushing over there a little bit. So yeah, I'll show you the waterfall when we get closer. Alright, we're just coming up on this big rock and that is the trail. So we're literally walking in between this rock and the river. It's so cute. Alright, we're climbing about 2,000 feet in about 3 miles. I have probably about a little over a mile to go. Very tired, but I'm starting to see the lake. So I think coming down we'll get some views into town. And yeah, I'm excited. Oh, I'm so hot. I could just jump in any lake right now. But I'm gonna grab some water. There'll be water at the top. So we'll see you up there. All right, we got another lake. Looking cute. Hey guys, so I had a plan today and that was to hike 15 miles to get to Boots Off Hostel. And then I was going to just hang out, say hi to the people who were there, and then keep going a couple more miles and camp. But I just found out that there's like a camping ban for like 5 miles after Boots Off, and I don't really want to go another 5 miles. So I think I'm gonna see if there's tenting here and we'll keep you updated.